Everybody likes cakes, isn't it? When it comes to cake, you always like my cake also. So this is why I want to do a different type of cake for you. That is moist choco mud cake. So that is also a little different than the normal cake. So we will see how it is done, and of course we will enjoy preparing this type of preparation. Now this cake which I am going to do half the quantity for you to see, but I have already done a full quantity. So I will give you the full quantity, so please jot it down so that it will be easy for you. 200 grams of sugar I will be using, but I am not using the full quantity, I am using only half the quantity. And butter 60 grams. Mainly I need half a cup of oil. We can use half a cup of vegetable oil we should use here. Sugar will get dissolved very soon. I will add the eggs. Actually we need 3 eggs. For this quantity, full quantity, you need 3 eggs. Now again I am going to use yogurt also. Can you see? A cup of yogurt I am using. Now what I am going to do is we will stop this. So to use the flour, it has to be 250 grams. So remember, 250 grams of flour we have to use, and 3 teaspoons of cocoa, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons, right? A pinch of salt has to come. Then I need bicarbonate of soda also, pinch of it. Now what am I going to do? I am going to sift this together in this. So we will sift and put so that it will be easy now. So now what I am going to do is, before I could even do anything, mix it nicely. Before beating it well, you have to mix it. Now we will start beating. While I am beating, now I am going to add the coffee. Coffee which I have diluted. 2 teaspoons coffee with 1 teaspoon of warm water. You dilute and keep it ready. Already I have put 3 teaspoons of cocoa, 2 teaspoons of coffee we need for this mud cake. And of course we need half a cup of milk also. And last of all, while it is getting beaten, vanilla essence. Vigorously once if you beat, it's enough. Right, now what I am going to do is, I need a tray. I have taken a heart shaped tray. Oil paper I have put, butter the tray. Mud cake. Now we are going to bake this. To bake this, you know, when you put the quantity, the tray has to be about 8.5 inch tray. Now we have to bake for 45 minutes. 180 centigrades, 360 Fahrenheit, you bake for 45 minutes and take. So we will bake this and take it. Moist choco mud cake is ready. I am going to make a cream for it. 2 egg whites. 2 egg whites we need. So what I am going to do is, 2 egg whites I have taken, beat it very well. I have already got 60 gram sugar. Slowly add the 60 gram sugar, little by little. Oh, it's lovely. Now it is beaten well and nicely creamed. Now what I am going to do is, into the pan I will put 2 teaspoons of gelatin. I need at least half a cup of water, and then we start cooking that. the gelatine has got cooked, dissolved well. Once it's get dissolved, while it is hot itself, I am going to put into this mixture. Hot I have to put. That's why we kept it till the last to dissolve the gelatine and water. Now what I am going to do is, I have the whipping cream also. This is something really nice, this type of preparation, whipping cream. I want to put the whole thing together and start beating because we want all this to go together. And I will use vanilla essence. If you have chocolate essence, you can use chocolate essence also with that. Now that is also ready. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to pour it over this. I have a little bit of butter icing, colored in peach color. Goes into this, and a few leaves. For a little while we have to keep it in the fridge, and then only we have to decorate it, because once the cream is put, it will start getting a little softer. So keep at least for half an hour in the fridge and then take it out and do the decoration over this. Choco moist mud cake can be done in different shapes. It can be a round cake, it can be a square cake, it can be any shape cake. So whatever shape you like you can do, and you can do a nice decoration and a cream over it, and whatever decoration you like you can do it, so that it will impress the people whom you are going to serve. So very soon with another episode I will meet you soon. Bye for me now.